Alright, Blaise, you just wrapped up a pretty tough match. It didn't go the way you wanted, but you gave a performance of your lifetime. What did you make of it?
Yeah, it was a great match. He was obviously number 2 seed in this tournament, and he had the home crowd. And we barely lost in the third set, so it was a good fight, and we're going to recover now for the doubles with Randy.
In the second set, at one point it looked like he had it wrapped up, but then you fought and fought and fought back. Tell me what went through your mind there.
Yeah, I just enjoyed being out there, and I just said let me go down fighting and trusting my game, and I played very well, competed well, and ended up winning the set. And the third set just barely slipped away, so positive take from this performance.
What was it like playing in this kind of hostile environment against the home crowd?
Yeah, it was crazy. Yeah, it's one of the biggest crowd I've played in, and the whole stands were cheering against me, but I didn't let it bother me, and I used all the Jamaican support I could get, and it was great.
Send a message back home.
Thank you guys very much for the support. I'm looking forward to keep going.
And all the best against the Brazilians later.
Yeah, thank you.